Hello, this is a quick video to show how to colorize black and white image in Photoshop. I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I click and drag the image into Photoshop to open the image. If you want to colorize this black and white image, we can go to Filter and we can find narrow filters, click it. And then we can go to narrow filters, we can find Colorize, highlight it, and then we can download the filters and wait a moment. After downloading, we can see Colorize filter is applied. We can see before and after. And then we can customize the setting. For example, we can set the saturation, we can turn it more red or cyan, more magenta or green, or more yellow or blue. And we can adjust color artifact reduction, or we can adjust the noise reduction. I keep the default setting and then I press OK. So the black and white image is colorized. This is how we can colorize black and white image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.